Our intuitive branding space combines all of your online communication tools in a single virtual experience, in which social relationships can find a place to grow. In our digital space, meetings become an experience. View project progress, to-do lists, employee information, schedules, and handouts. Any relevant information you can imagine. Implement all types of rich media content, such as video, audio, PowerPoint slides, even 3D elements. Or stormtroopers. All content can be modified and updated quickly and easily, so you can always stay up to date. Your meeting space is infinitely scalable, editable, and customizable. Would you like to organize an event with Alpine Flair for your team? No big deal. Or how about in the club? An event at the beach? Or at your own branded trade fair? Digitize your events at a fraction of the cost of a conventional conference. Let's go digital. Let's discover a world beyond together.